Hey, welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome, welcome. Another treat for you today. A simple dish. What is it? Pork and potatoes. And you can make it spicy or mild. That depends on you. But it's done in one pot and it's really, really fast and really good. So let's get going here. Here we go. Here I have about 2 pounds of boneless pork, fresh from the butcher shop. Now I want you to take your handy dandy knife, make sure it's sharp, be very careful, and I want you to start slicing it, basically like this. But you know something? How you slice it really depends on you, and don't really expect all the cues to be absolutely perfect. So now let's grab this piece here and we're going to slice it right down the middle. We're going to cube it. It'll be basically about, size like this. And this is exactly what I want. And to give it that rich flavor, let's add 1/4 cup of white vinegar, just like this. Add 1 teaspoon of hot chili. Now you can add more if you are on the brave side. 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. Boy, is this ever going to be good. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Now adding salt is up to you. Here I'm adding about 1/2 teaspoon. And here comes my favorite, fresh ground pepper. I'm adding about 1/2 teaspoon here. Well, that's it for the spices. Let's mix it really well together. And we keep on mixing and mixing, make sure it's well blended. And now this goes into the refrigerator for about 1 hour and I shall be back. Okay, now grab yourself a heavy pan and put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And now we wait for that to get hot. And now we add our meat pieces. Oh, can you hear the sizzle on that? Is that not absolutely awesome? Now just move them around so they don't stick. And now let's get them golden brown and I shall be back. Hey, we're back. Just take a look at that. Isn't that absolutely awesome? Now we're going to add 1 cup of orange juice, and this juice will just blend all those spices together and give it an awesome taste. Now let's move that around. The heat is still at medium high and we're going to let this go for about 2 minutes. Now the rest of the marinade that was in the bottom of the bowl, I want you to pour that in now because there's a lot of flavor there and I don't want to lose that. So we shall be back now. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Now I want you to add 3/4 cup of beef broth. You can use chicken broth if you want. And now we let it come up to a boil. We cover it and we let this go for 25 to 30 minutes and I shall be back. And here we go. It's been about 30 minutes. Oh, just take a look at that. I just wish that my video had smell of video. This is absolutely awesome. Now what I want you to do is I want you now to add about 2 pounds of potatoes peeled and cubed just like this, and I want you to put them all around in a circle around the meat. Okay, here it is. Now I want you to cover it, put it into the oven at 325 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. Okay, here it is. Look at that. Oh, is that ever awesome? Now let's check the potatoes and see if they are tender. Grab your fork, poke it there, poke it over there. It is perfect. Now I want you to add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour in 4 tablespoons of water, and this is going to make the gravy. Just take a look at that. This is going to be absolutely awesome with this beautiful sauce. I cannot tell you how much I enjoy this recipe, and I really hope you enjoy it. And thank you very much from Tony and Cooking Around. Goodbye now.